Everyone is born unique. No comparison is possible. You are you and I am I. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I am going to tell you all the story about the Indian actress who is notable for being the world's shortest living woman. Yes, she is no other than the Guinness World Record holder Jyoti Amge. So let's start. Jyoti Amge was born on 16 December 1993 in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Jyoti had a normal birth and grew normally until the age of 2, after which her growth stopped. Jyoti has a specific form of dwarfism called achondroplasia. It stops the formation of hormones in the body, due to which Jyoti's height and weight will always remain the same. She always led a normal life in spite of being different. She went to a regular school. She had custom chairs and tables made for her, on which she would sit comfortably, as the school's normal chair and tables were quite large for her. In 2009, she was named the world's smallest teenager by the Guinness Book of World Records, and it got her many Guinness-sponsored trips to Japan and Italy for meetings and tours and to meet other record holders. Same year, she appeared in a documentary on UK's Channel 4 named Body Shock 2 Foot Tall Teen. On her 18th birthday in 2011, she was officially declared the world's shortest woman by Guinness World Records with a height of 62.8 centimeters. In 2012, she appeared as a guest on the reality TV show Bigg Boss Season 6, hosted by Salman Khan. In the same year, she also hosted an Italian TV show named Canal 5 along with Italian actor Theo Mammucari. In 2013, she posed for the 57th edition of the Guinness Book of World Records with world's shortest man Chandra Bahadur Dangi. This was a historic event as for the first time the world's shortest man and woman had ever met. In 2014, her dream of becoming an actress came to life when she got a role in the 4th season of an American television show, American Horror Story. The show premiered in 2015 and she was honored for her role by the Russian International Horror Film Awards. Over the years, she met with many Guinness World Record holders such as the world's tallest man and the shortest man among many more. In an interview, Jyoti revealed her ultimate goal. She said she wants to be famous enough so that everybody around the world knows her and she reaches the point of Oscars. So always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. So this was the story of world's smallest woman, Jyoti Amge. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.